Israel's cabinet voted unanimously on March 23 to approve a no-confidence motion against Attorney General Gali Baharav-Miara, aiming to accelerate her dismissal from office. Baharav-Miara, in a letter to the cabinet, accused Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's government of seeking to operate without checks on its power and of attempting to silence the legal advice system she leads. She argued that the motion was legally irrelevant and would not affect her position, emphasizing that her role was to ensure government policies aligned with the law. When the legal advice system presents the government with the boundaries of the law, it is doing its job, she stated, countering claims that she had obstructed the government's policies. The process of firing Baharav-Miara could take months, with opposition lawmakers vowing to challenge it in court. Unions and business forums have threatened to strike if the government disregards court rulings. Baharav-Miara pointed out that her office had assisted the government with advancing numerous pieces of legislation, resolutions, and in over 2,000 petitions, particularly on issues like the war, humanitarian aid to Gaza, and administrative detention. She criticized the government's actions, claiming that the no-confidence motion was aimed at securing political loyalty rather than promoting effective governance. The government seeks to be above the law and to operate without checks and balances, she said, referring to the government's judicial overhaul efforts. Justice Minister Yariv Levin, who is leading the move to oust Baharav-Miara, defended the motion, accusing her of unfitting conduct and prolonged disagreements with the government that hindered cooperation. Baharav-Miara responded, asserting that the government's actions were undermining Israel's legal system and the rule of law. Prime Minister Netanyahu did not attend the vote due to his ongoing corruption trial, in which Baharav-Miara serves as the state's chief prosecutor. The motion was condemned by opposition parties, who accused Netanyahu of seeking to remove a key check on his power. Critics warned that her dismissal would seriously damage Israel's status as a nation governed by the rule of law. Protests continued in Jerusalem for the sixth consecutive day, with demonstrators opposing the dismissal of Baharav-Miara and Shin Bet chief, Ronen Bar, while calling for a resolution to secure the release of hostages held in Gaza.